Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation by using AI. First of all, open up the web browser on your PC or laptop. Once you get into the browser, search here for Tamil app. After that, click to go into its official website. When you successfully sign into your demo site, it will show you its dashboard. Now, from here, click on the Create button from the top right corner. Then, choose to create with AI, of course. So now that you're able to create your presentation, it will also give you very useful options, such as you can either make your presentation by using a document. Simply add the document file and make a professional presentation out of it. Another option is create a page about. In this, you can add a text file to make a presentation. Lastly, the most important, easy-to-use option is Create Presentation About. Now, in this option, all you need to do is give it a title and it will make you a presentation on it. Let's give it a try by clicking on it. After that, enter the topic that you want to create a presentation on, such as, what is cardiology? Once you enter the topic, click to generate outline. You can add additional things to the topic details. Choose a layout individually for each block of the presentation. You can pick different layouts for the introduction and the rest of the descriptions. Or what you can do is skip this process and click on Generate All Pages. This will create the whole presentation by itself and give you the final product. It might take a few seconds, but then the results will be shocking. You can download it and use it to present your best presentation. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.